Hey there, welcome to our channel. In this series, Mind is Not a Trash Can, we explore ways to nurture our minds and foster inner peace. Today, we're delving into the complex emotion of jealousy and how it impacts our well-being. Jealousy is a natural human emotion that arises when we feel threatened or insecure about losing something or someone we value. It can consume our thoughts and lead to feelings of resentment, insecurity, and inadequacy. Here are the top 5 common jealous behaviors. Jealousy behavior number 1, comparing ourselves to others and feeling inadequate when we perceive them as more successful or attractive. Jealousy behavior number 2, becoming possessive or controlling in relationships, fearing that our partner will leave us for someone else. Jealousy behavior number 3, spreading rumors or gossip about others out of envy or resentment. Jealousy behavior number 4, sabotaging the success of others to maintain a sense of superiority or control. Jealousy behavior number 5, feeling bitter or resentful towards those who have achieved what we desire, instead of celebrating their success. But there's hope. We can overcome jealousy and cultivate a mindset of abundance and gratitude. Here are a few things we can do to tackle jealousy. Practice self-awareness by identifying the root causes of our jealousy and acknowledging our insecurities. Cultivate gratitude for the blessings and opportunities in our own lives, shifting focus from lack to abundance. Challenge negative thoughts and beliefs that fuel jealousy, replacing them with positive affirmations and self-love. Communicate openly and honestly with others about our feelings, seeking understanding and support. Focus on self-improvement and personal growth rather than comparing ourselves to others. Develop trust in ourselves and our relationships, letting go of the need for constant reassurance. Cultivate empathy and compassion towards others, recognizing that everyone has their own struggles and insecurities. Set healthy boundaries to protect our own well-being and respect the boundaries of others. Practice forgiveness, letting go of past hurts and resentments that feed into jealousy. Surround ourselves with supportive and uplifting people who encourage our growth and success. Now, let's fill our minds with affirmations to overcome jealousy. I celebrate the successes and achievements of others without feeling threatened. I am secure in myself and my worth, knowing that I am enough just as I am. I release all feelings of envy and embrace the unique path of my own journey. I trust in the abundance of the universe to provide for my needs and desires. I am grateful for the blessings in my life and celebrate the successes of others with genuine joy. I let go of comparison and embrace my own unique strengths and talents. I cultivate compassion and empathy towards others, recognizing that we are all on our own paths. I am deserving of love and happiness, and I attract positive relationships into my life. I forgive myself for past mistakes and release any lingering feelings of resentment. I choose to focus on what I have rather than what I lack, cultivating a mindset of abundance. I trust in the divine timing of my life, knowing that everything happens for a reason. I release all fears of inadequacy and embrace my own inherent worthiness. I am free from the grip of jealousy, allowing love and positivity to flow freely in my life. I am the creator of my own reality, and I choose to create a life filled with love and abundance. I am confident in myself and my abilities, and I celebrate the successes of others as inspiration for my own journey. I release all comparisons and judgments, embracing the beauty of diversity and individuality. I am worthy of success and happiness, and I celebrate the achievements of others with genuine joy. I let go of all feelings of competition and embrace collaboration and cooperation instead. I am surrounded by love and support, and I trust in the universe to guide me towards my highest good. I am at peace with myself and the world around me, free from the shackles of jealousy. Thanks for watching, and remember, our minds are not dustbins for jealousy. By cultivating gratitude, self-awareness, and trust, we can overcome jealousy and embrace a mindset of abundance and joy. Let's choose love and celebrate the success of others as inspiration for our own growth. Together, we can create a world filled with positivity and possibility.